We first heard about Stevens and Smith from a local construction company here in town.
The scope of the project was basically it was a job that we had done 25 years ago. She had that for 25 years and got tired of cleaning stamped concrete inside of her house, and that was what she called me for. And then when I got down there is when she presented me with, do you think you could do this too?
The vision was that we needed something unique. We have a lot of abstract art, so we knew that we wanted this to be a piece of art as well as just functional.
My first thoughts, I don't think I can do that. Can I do that? And then it morphed into maybe I can do that. I had Division 6 do some grinding for me. They had some challenges. They worked through it really well. My guys had some challenges with putting the coatings down. They worked through it very well. And then the stain is where we really started getting into the brass tacks of, is this going to work out? Well, the biggest challenge mainly was getting the stain colors achieved. She gave me color swatches for paint colors, and I had to achieve them colors with a translucent stain, which that didn't exist.
They were very professional. They did a great job. They cleaned up after themselves. I don't know. They just did, it was easy. They made it easy.
Kurt did a great job keeping us up to date, asking us questions when he wasn't sure about something. I had a lot of questions. He always answered all my questions, reassured me on different things if I had a concern. So he was great at communicating with us.
Yeah, it kind of speaks for itself. It's beautiful. It came out great.
And it's gonna last the test of time. So it's perfect. It really makes the room feel different.